Kent with MrTruck.com. We are at the NATDA, and it's 2025. We're seeing all the cool products at the trailer show here in Nashville. And you've probably seen Z-TRAK. They got stuff all over Facebook. Very interesting product. And Nate here is the big cheese. He's going to tell us all about them.
Hey, sure, appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, so we're Z-TRAK. We are the most convenient way to secure anything in the back of a pickup truck or a trailer. So we've got all these accessories. They work Z-TRAK or E-TRAK. They're going to allow you to, you're going to secure your e-bikes, your dirt bikes, your cruisers, anything you want to secure. It's going to help you do the job.
Well, that's true. Trucks usually in the trash can. Everybody just throws the stuff in there, hope it doesn't blow out.
That's right. Yep.
That's the normal thing. You got the better built stuff. So let me grab the camera and we'll look at all of it.
Awesome.
Okay, whatever you want to show us.
Sure. Yeah, it might be best to kind of just get some shots of this stuff, whatever you want to, and I can go over
I'll go through each
is.
individual thing as you talk about. Just point at it, and I'll figure out what you're doing.
All right.
All right, let me see it.
All right, so starting over here on the right side, this is our FT Fat Tire Series Moto Chalk. So this is for your really fat tire e-bikes, your sport bikes, anything with a tire over 4 inches wide. You're gonna want the Fat Tire Series chalk.
Cool.
As we kind of go over to the left, this is our new mountain bike chalk. This also works great for e-bikes. With a mountain bike, you could just do a single strap through the middle and hold the tire. With an e-bike, you're still gonna do like soft loop straps or something around the handlebars, but it's that customized chalk. And then as we go along here, we've got more of our standard chalks. So we have our LP, which is our low profile series. This one in the middle is on an extender. So we have our Z-TRAK extender. It kicks that bike out 9 inches. That offsets the third bike in the truck. Or in a trailer, you can kick out past, anything that's in the way.
And they just all quickly attach to the E-TRAK.
Yeah, very easy to clip in, clip out. So 2-finger attachment, drop that in, drop it out, clip it in. And you see that clip and you know you're in.
Okay.
Yep.
And you got one here if it's been in a crash, huh?
Yeah, we got our pre-angled LP series chalk, and so in a trailer, a lot of guys already are angling their bikes, so this one's got the angle pre-built in. And obviously far left, you've got our standard moto chalk, which is our largest chalk and our best seller. So all kinds of different chalks. We got straps here too. I have soft loop straps, I have auto retractable straps.
Oh, I love auto
bungee
retractable
straps.
Yes, that's awesome.
All kinds of cool stuff. The Z-TRAK is a system that goes in your truck. In fact, I'll grab the one over here for you. The biggest question we always get is, what is the difference between Z-TRAK and E-TRAK? Well, Z-TRAK has that Z side profile. It's a custom bend, perfectly fitted to all the contours of the bed of your pickup truck. So you're gonna order for the specific year and model and it's gonna fit perfectly. It'll give you that compatibility E-TRAK in the pickup truck. Or we've got regular, flat, high strength E-TRAK for your trailers.
That's true. The front, the back wall of the cab, they have all those bumps in them, and that's pretty crappy metal they put in that front.
That's the problem.
This in here reinforce that by itself. That's good.
Gives it a whole bunch of strength, it mounts up, and it looks like it belongs in your truck. That's the most important thing.
Well, cool. Well, that's a lot of cool toys you sell, you play with, you manufacture. Are any of these from China?
No, so all of our products are American made. We make everything in America. The only stuff that we import is going to be some of our straps, things like that. But when it comes to our metal products, it's all made in America.
Well, that is too cool. Yeah, I love those self-retracting straps. I use.
Oh, they're so convenient.
Yeah, they are. They're awesome.
I love. We're going to bring in a bigger one as well. It's going to be probably a 2-inch wide, much higher weight capacity. So.
And you're in Utah?
Right, based out of St. George, Utah. Yes, sir.
Oh wow, that's down there with all the resorts and stuff. Not too far from Vegas.
That's right.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, cool. Well, thanks, Nate. I'm glad you saw them on. We will try to talk to you later on.
Thanks so much for coming by.
You betcha. Bye-bye.